Hello everyone, my paper pumpkins have arrived and I thought I would unbox them with you. They are gorgeous. So I've already seen a couple of sneak peeks of this and it is probably, I was going to say the most beautiful, although there have been some very beautiful ones. So I don't know, I'm going to have to revisit that idea. I really liked, there was a dandelion one a few months, well maybe almost a year ago. And there was one with like sunflowers once, and I don't remember that one. I just know that I loved it. So this one promises to be up in that category. Okay, this is the July Painted Petals. The box is beautiful. Painted Petals kit. And the spot color is gray granite, and the stamps are beautiful. Oops, let's see. I'm going to show you. Well, that's not going to show you very well. So once I get the insert out, I'll show you. But there's a really pretty flower and then a lot of sentiments and a little accent piece. I'll show you them when I get the insert out. Nice pink tissue. Okay, look at these envelopes. I know that I'm going to love this kit. I really hope there's refills for this one. I don't know if there will be. It depends on how many they sold. They usually release the refill information around the 20th, somewhere between the 20th and 23rd. Kind of depends on once they get everything all out the door and they know they've got leftovers. Then they will release either full kits if they have leftover stamp sets, or just refills if they only have this part right here that's in this shrink wrap. So we'll see. Okay, having troubles. Okay, so we've got your adhesives in here. There's some really pretty kind of iridescent self-adhesive sequins, and then there's dimensionals and then some adhesive strips. Okay, these envelopes are amazing. Look at that. That is so pretty. There's our envelopes. Gorgeous. Oh, even more gorgeous. Gorgeous envelopes. Okay, and then our card bases. And there's 3 different colors, 3 different envelopes, and you get to do 3 of each one. So there are 3 of this pink. Is it Melon Mambo maybe? So it's kind of got this faded image behind, like it's under vellum, but it's not. Look, it's very pretty. It's very soft. And then this splatter, and then you've got a different flower but the same kind of card in this kind of coral. And then you've got the same thing in this sort of green. Oh my goodness, I just saw some dies that you're gonna love. Die cuts, not dies. And then this is the daisy. So you've got the faded image in the back. I've got paint in my fingernails. They're not dirty, I promise. I've been painting today. So you've got these beautiful backgrounds. And then these are little labels. So you kind of pop them out. They go behind. So they're just kind of, okay, now this is interesting. These are shapes, but they're weird little wonky shapes. You don't know what they are, but actually they go with the stamps. So you stamp the words onto the wonky shapes and it fits just perfectly. So you've got those, and then look at this. Look at that. So you've got 3 of each flower. So you probably put the pink one on the pink one, and the daisy on the daisy, the coral on the coral. These are gorgeous. And you know what's interesting is normally on the around the die there is white outline, but look at when I pop this out, there is no white outline. There's no like border. That's really a beautiful die cut, isn't it? Look at those. Gorgeous. All right, where's my insert with the instructions so we can see what these are going to look like? Here's the insert for the stamp set. That always comes in the box so that when you store your stamps, you can kind of put this in there and you know what you've got. So here's that flower. Gorgeous. And then you've got friends like you make life beautiful. Hello, let's celebrate you. You're simply the best. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Very pretty stamp set. I love that floral. That's going to be pretty for stamping, isn't it? And coloring. You can do watercolor effects to make it look, it's this one kind of similar, right? You can do watercolor effects to make it look like that. Gorgeous. Now there is an add-on optional die set right here. This is in the online store and it cuts out this stamp. See? So if you wanted to get this, this is $12. This is an optional add-on. So you can add that to your kit. And then it's got a hooray and this leaf. And these kind of go with upcoming stamp sets. So this hooray goes with the August stamps, kit, which is all about birthdays. And I did put a picture of one of the cards. Normally we don't get to see a finished card, we just kind of get an idea of what the feel of the box is. But this time we have an actual picture of a finished card from this kit, and that's because it was this really cool accordion card, and I put it up on my Facebook page, Beth's Paper Cuts Idea Sharing Group, or Beth's Paper Cuts Facebook page. And I'll put a link in my description if you want to see next month's kit, because I'm telling you, it's not a gorgeous kit, but it is, because this is gorgeous. That word wouldn't describe it. It's super fun and it's elegant looking because it's got some foiling on it, and then it's got this accordion candle thing that is so fun. It's a fun kit and a pretty kit. And then this leaf is going to go with the September kit, which we don't really know what it is, except that it's supposed to have some little woodland creatures, like maybe, I think there was a snail and a mushroom in the image. So anyway, but this kit, amazing. Now let's turn it over and look at the finished cards. Look at how beautiful these finished cards are. This is a really, really gorgeous set. Okay, so you put the main image kind of offset a little bit from the card front. So let's grab one. And they layer. So here's this pink one. And then this is going to layer on top of it, like slightly offset. So this is kind of like a shadow almost of that card. And then there's some sentiments and things poking underneath to kind of give it some dimension. Isn't that just the prettiest thing? I mean, I love watercolor, so I mean, you can kind of tell it's all over my desk. But that is really fun, and I think this is a gorgeous set. So if you missed this set, we are past the subscription period, because the subscription period is the 10th of every month. So you can't subscribe to get this kit right now. But if they offer refills, you can get those, and that would be like, even if you got the kit, maybe you got this kit. I have a few of you that get it every month on a subscription. If you want a refill, check back on the 20th-ish and see if they have any refills available. You might want to get refills because you already have the stamp set. So then it'll have everything contained within that shrink wrap. So you'll get more envelopes, more card bases, more labels, that kind of thing. You just won't get the stamp set and the ink spot, but you've already got that. Sometimes they offer full kits. So if you missed out, you can see if they have a full kit. But if you missed out and they don't have full kits, I get several kits a month, and you can see if I still have one. I have some from previous months too, so I sometimes forget to let people know that I have them, and I usually bring them to my events, but I had to cancel some events recently because I was really sick, and it's summer, and we're going on vacation actually. So check my blog, bethspapercuts.com, and check the garage sale tab, and that's where I put things that I have available for sale, and I put paper pumpkin kits on that list. I also have some old retired stamp sets. Maybe you're looking for something there. Those are deeply discounted. The paper pumpkins are just the regular price, but the retired stamp sets are deeply discounted. So you can check that for past kits and see if there's one there that you missed and you wish you had. And if you want this one, I did get several today, so you can see. I am going on vacation in 2 days, so if you email me after Saturday, I won't see it for a week, but then I'll be back. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a box, and you can click the link in my video description to go right to the subscription box, and you will get the next month's kit sent to you. You can see the preview at my Facebook page. It is amazing, this next kit. I think it's going to be beautifully and fun. I think it's really fun. And it comes with an extra stamp set, because they said that they're giving one stamp set that kind of goes with the kit, but then they were giving an extra stamp set, which they've shown us. It's numbers. And the reason why is because it's a birthday kit. And so they're giving you numbers. You get a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not a 9, because the 6 in the 9 can flip over. So you can use the same one. So they didn't make 2 of those. And then that way you, and it also gives you a TH, an ND, like second, third, and then a TH, yeah, ND, that kind of thing. So you can, you know, happy 3rd birthday, happy 50 something birthday. So anyway, that is next month's kit. You don't want to miss a kit. These kits are getting better and better each time. So subscribe if you never want to miss one. If you did miss one, check my blog and see if I have it. If you want this one, I think this one's going to go fast. It'll probably have a million emails before I get back from vacation. So anyway, and maybe there'll be refills, but that'll also happen while I'm on vacation. So unfortunately, you might need to jump on that. So I'm going to put links to the Paper Pumpkin section in the online store so you can check what refills are. The refills for this will not be posted yet. You can see past refills, but the refills for this one will not be posted yet. They usually come up around the 20th to 23rd, but the 20th falls on a weekend, so you might want to check Monday, but you can keep checking and check for refills, because those are going to go fast. Check for past kits, check my blog, and that's it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm going to have a really great week because I'm going to be gone, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.